Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Nurin Khairina and today I'll be sharing about steel portal frames, a popular structural system used in modern construction. This system is strong, fast to build and ideal for large open spaces. So let's take a look at how it works. We are a team of 3 members, Nur Ifa, Nurul Aliakila and me myself, Nurin Khairina. A steel portal frame is a rigid structural system made of columns and rafters connected at joints. Portal steel frames can cover wide areas without support columns, making them perfect for warehouses, factories, and exhibition halls. It is ideal for structures requiring open space, low maintenance, and cost efficiency. It is made from prefabricated steel, allowing for fast and efficient construction. It offers strength, durability, and flexibility for various building needs. Last but not least, steel portal frames is commonly used in warehouses, factories, hangars, and sport halls. So this is a steel portal frame commonly used in industrial buildings. It consists of columns and rafters connected by haunches at the eaves and apex for strength. Purlins and side rails support the roofs and wall. The frame is anchored to the foundation using base plates, while eave struts provide lateral stability. The dado wall at the bottom protects against impact, and cold roll beams at the top support the roof edges. This structure provides a strong, clear span interior. There are several types of steel portal frames used based on building needs. First, the single span is the most common, with one clear span between columns. Double span and multi-span frames have 2 or more connected bases for larger spaces. The steel frame with a joint house connects to another structure, like an office or storage room, while a steel frame with overhang extends the roof beyond columns for shading or loading areas. Lastly, a single slope has one slanted roof at the side.
Next, let's see the main purpose of steel portal frame. One key purpose is archiving large clear spans, which can allow wide open spaces without any internal obstruction. This is especially useful for buildings that needs open layouts. Quick construction is another advantage, where structures are assembled rapidly using prefabricated parts, so it can reduce overall project timelines. Other than that, steel portal frame can affect cost because it can help save on both material and labor costs. In addition, it can support a versatile design that can make it suitable for a wide range of buildings such as factories and halls. Another important aspect is good load distribution, which ensures that roof and wind loads are handled efficiently. Last but not least, construction also allows for easy expansion, so additional frame can be added in the future with ease. This combination purpose makes construction a smart and flexibility choice for modern building needs.
Today, I will be presenting the construction method of a steel portal frame. So, it is a system that widely used for structural system for warehouses, factories, and sheds. So, we will walk through each main stages from foundation to final gutter installation. So first, let's begin with the foundation. So before construction, it is essential that all foundations are square and level. An uneven basis can cause a misalignment and increase overall cost. Each pier must be cleared of loose soil, and columns should be perfectly centered on every pier to ensure proper load distribution. So next, we will mark out the building. So using a chart line, we will mark the inside edges of the side wall columns. That will give us the frame distance, which is width of the section, C section plus the Z section. So then we will calculate the rough distance by subtracting twice the frame distance from the total span of the building. And then we will measure and mark this second chart line across the building. So this will ensure your accurate placement of your rafters. Now we move to the columns. Lay them flat along the side walls at their respective base. Then bolt them in place. Attach the haunch brackets to the web faces of each columns and make sure the web face the building front for visual consistency. Align bracket top flush with the columns and secure them per engineering plans. Then assemble the rafter by laying them web side up, aligning them with the apex bracket and adjusting the rough distance. Then we will mark a pulling position and install braces as needed, especially for back-to-back frames. And then the next is roof construction. We will install a bracing and insulation first if provide. Then fix the roof sheets, keeping ridge facing away from the weather and align with the gutter. Finally, install and seal the ridge capping flush with the gable ends. Next, for the wall framing, attach the curds and eave purling to the columns. Start sheeting from one corner, ensuring the female rib faces away from the weather. And then we will fix the wall screws in straight lines and trim the last sheet flush with the girts. Lastly, to finish, install the gutter system. Evenly spaced gutter brackets and no more than 1 meter apart. And mark a child line with a minimum 3 degrees fall toward the downpipe, and then fix the brackets to the wall rib using pop rivets. Apply silicone at all gutter joints, then clip the gutter into place with a slight overhang past the gable ends. And then we will fold the bracket tags down to lock everything in. In summary, constructing a steel portal frame involves precise alignment and stages. Assembly, from setting a level foundation to final gutter installation, every step contributes to the building strength, appearance and performance. Thank you for your attention.
Next advantages of steel portal frame has a large space and no columns needed. It is because the portal steel frames can cover wide areas without support column, so it making them perfect for warehouses, factories, and exhibition halls. Next, it fast and efficient construction because most parts are pre-made, so the building on site is quick, saving times and labor costs. This steel also lightweight and cost saving. Steel is lighter than concrete, so it puts less pressure on the foundation and reduce construction costs. Last, durability and strength. With the right treatment, steel can resist fire better than many other materials, and it can cover large areas without needing lots of materials. However, for disadvantages, steel frame weak at joint. It is because the main stress of focus where the beams and column connected. If not designed properly, their areas can be weak and may not hold up well under heavy loads. In addition, it's also not ideal for harsh environment. In hot, humid or corrosive areas, steel can rust or weaken. Extra protection like special coating is needed to make it last longer. Manufacturers. Steel portal frames are an excellent choice for many types of building because they offer large open space without columns, quick and efficient construction, and cost saving. Their strength, durability, and versatile design make them ideal for warehouses, factories, and support halls. However, careful design and protection are needed to address weak joint and harsh environment, ensuring long-lasting and reliable structure. Thank you.